Pramerica Flexi Income Plan. Will investing in this policy help you build a financially secure future in the long run or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to take the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So first, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is Pramerica Flexi Income Plan is about. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan, and some of its key features are you get life insurance coverage during your policy term, and they also provide you with two plan options, which is the yearly income option and the yearly income with policy continuation benefit. And this plan offers you with guaranteed regular income during your policy term and also provides you with lump sum benefit at maturity. And there is a wide choice of premium payment terms to choose from, like 6 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, anything according to your convenience. So you also have the flexibility to choose your income start year at inception and the income payout frequency you want. So these are all some of the key features of this policy. So now let's take a look at the benefits available under the Pramerica Flexi Income Plan. So under the plan option yearly income, you have survival benefit, which is a guaranteed income, which is the income payout expressed as a percentage of your annualized premium, and this will be payable in arrear on the survival of the life insured from the income start year until the end of the policy term. If the life insured has survived, they will get the survival benefit as per the chosen income payout frequency they have chosen. Next is the maturity benefit, which the policyholder gets as the policy matures. So they will receive the sum assured on maturity as a lump sum, which is equal to the guaranteed maturity benefit plus accrued loyalty boosters. So the guaranteed maturity benefit means the benefit amount as a percentage of your total annualized premium, and the loyalty boosters are defined as 100% of guaranteed maturity benefit. So this will accrue uniformly at the end of every year, starting from your third policy year till the end of the premium payment term. Next is the death benefit, which is given to the nominee or the legal heir in the case of unfortunate death of the life insured. So it can either be any of the three options mentioned in the screen, whichever is highest at the time of death of the policyholder. It can be either the sum assured on death or the 105% of the total premiums paid till the date of death, or the surrender value as of the date of death. Next, under the plan option 2, yearly income with policy continuation benefit, you have survival benefit, which is also payable and arrears on the survival of the life insured from the income start year until the end of the policy term as per the chosen income payout frequency. So what the survival benefit contain will be the guaranteed income benefit, that means your income payout, which is expressed as a percentage of your annualized premium. Next is the maturity benefit, which is again given to the policy holder when the policy matures, and they will receive the sum assured on maturity as lump sum, which is equal to the guaranteed maturity benefit plus the accrued loyalty boost. And next is the death benefit, which is given to the nominee or the legal heir in the case of the unfortunate death of the life insured. So it can either be the higher of sum assured on death or the 105% of the total premiums paid till the date of death. So whichever is higher at the time of death of the policy holder, it can be given to the nominee or the legal heir as the death benefit. And additionally, under this plan option, the nominee shall continue to receive guaranteed income benefits as and when due without any need of paying the future premium. And at the end of the policy term, the nominee shall receive the sum assured on maturity, which is also equal to the guaranteed maturity benefit plus accrued loyalty booster. So these are the benefits available under this policy to the policy holder. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages present in this policy. So first of all, let's take a look at the advantages. So under the premium offset future, you shall be adjust your premium payable in this policy to the extent of the survival benefits if it is payable by the company. And you also have the option to accumulate your guaranteed income benefit, which is your income payout, instead of taking the same as a periodic payment during the policy term. And you have the option to pay premiums annually, semi-annually or monthly. And next is the disadvantages present in this plan, which is the annual income benefit may lead to discretionary spending instead of spending in useful ways. And also the regular payouts, the final maturity amount will be relatively small due to the regular payout, making it insufficient for covering any significant significant expenses. And also starting regular payouts as early as the end of first year will definitely diminish the compounding effort you can build on your investment. So these are some of the disadvantages and also the potential risk you might be undertaking by choosing to invest in this policy. It's better if you carefully consider these factors before choosing to invest in this policy. We have learned some basic details and understood how this policy briefly works. Now we are going to move to the main part of the video where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis of the Pramerica Flexi income plan, which is the internal rate of return. Why we conduct an analysis on the internal rate of return is because no matter the benefits and advantages we might get by investing in a policy, what matters at the end of the day is the IRR, the returns we get in a hand. So for that purpose, we are going to calculate the IRR here. So for the calculation purpose, let us assume a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy and pays 1 lakh per year for 12 years with an income duration of 40 years starting from their first year. And the sum assured is 11 lakhs. So he receives a guaranteed income benefit of 22,500 per annum from the end of his first year until the end of his policy term. So at maturity, he also receives the guaranteed maturity benefit along with a loyalty booster. So these are all the metrics with which we are going to conduct the IRR analysis. As we calculate the IRR according to the Pramerica Life Flexi income plan maturity calculator, we get a maturity benefit of 47 lakhs 45,460 rupees with the IRR of 5.53%. So in this policy specifically, we are getting the guaranteed survival benefits and the maturity benefits, but the IRR is as low even comparable to a debt instrument like in a bank FD. Even if you compare it with the return you get in a bank fixed deposit, even there you can get a guaranteed return of 6 to 7%, but here you are getting a return which is lower than that. Even if you are getting guaranteed survival benefit and maturity benefit, if the return is lower than a debt instrument, it is not adding any value or bigger advantage to us if the returns are lower, right? So the primary reason for the low return is that annual payout in this policy starts yearly, which diminishes our compounding effect. So overall, this plan may not help you achieve your life goals, especially if you need a substantial corpus which is required to achieve your financial goals, which this policy might not be able to give you according to the IRR analysis. So now what we are going to do is we are going to conduct another analysis where we are going to do a comparative analysis. Like we are going to compare Pramerica Flexi income plan with other investment option and other alternative investment strategy to see whether we can get good returns or better returns compared to this policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to adopt an alternative strategy where we are going to separate the insurance and the investment vehicle instead of investing in an investment cum insurance policy like Pramerica Flexi income plan. So for life cover, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy because pure term life insurance policy are always available at affordable premiums, which allows you to invest the saved premium towards your other financial goals. So if you are a risk averse investors, like you do not want to take any kind of risk, then you can definitely stick to debt instruments like PPO accounts, which is a government backed instrument which will give you guaranteed returns and also has tax benefits. But if you're someone who's willing to take risk, you can definitely choose equity instruments like ELSS mutual funds. And especially ELSS mutual fund is something which, if given the track record, it has shown us that if we choose to invest in it for more than 7 to 10 years, it can potentially give us up to 12% per annum in the IRR. So according to that also, we can choose to invest in it. So what we are going to do here is we have chosen a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 12 lakh, which costs 12,100 rupees as the premium annually, and this policy term is 25 years with the premium paying term is for 10 years. So this is similar to the metric we get in the Pramerica Life Flexi income plan policy. If you compare it with the previous policy, it has given you a policy term of 40 years, which gives you coverage up to the age of 75 with a premium paying term of 12 years. But generally in personal finance, we recommend coverage for up to 60 years of age. And also for the first 10 years after paying the premium, the remaining balance can be invested in the following 2 years. The full amount can be invested in ELSS mutual funds itself. So if we choose to invest in a combination of term insurance plus ELSS mutual funds, we get a maturity benefit of 1,14,946 rupees with an IRR of 7.56%. So here in the previous policy, you receive a survival benefit of 22,500, which actually offsets your cash outflow, meaning you only pay 77,500 out of your pocket annually. But after paying the life insurance premium, you can invest 65,400 in a ELSS mutual fund. So the accumulated corpus at the end of 12 years in the ELSS mutual funds is 19.31 lakhs. But after you account for the capital gains tax, the final maturity benefit comes around 18.13 lakhs, lakhs, which is shifted to an instrument yielding 7%. From this only you get the final maturity benefit, which is similar to the Pramerica Flexi income plan with an IRR of 7.56%. So final value of your investment is approximately 1 crore, which is double the maturity value of the Pramerica Flexi income plan with an IRR of 7.56%. So this return is significantly better than your return you get in your Pramerica Flexi income plan, and investing here also provides liquidity with your investment. So if you choose to invest based on your risk profile, time horizon and financial goals and build a diversified investment portfolio, you can definitely gain better returns and inflation beating returns in the long run. So it's better if you avoid traditional life insurance plan like the Pramerica Flexi income plan, where insurance and investment are combined, because this might hinder your financial journey to reaching its potential. What is the final verdict? Should we invest in the Pramerica Flexi income plan or not? As we can see, this is not giving us the return we need from the return analysis. So from the IRR analysis, it's giving us a return which is potentially even lower than a debt instrument, which is definitely not sustainable in the long run. If you want to build a financially secure future, we need inflation beating return, which this is not giving. Instead of that, if you build a diversified investment portfolio with debt and equity investments according to your risk profile and time horizon to achieve your financial goals, and separate insurance from the investment, like you can separately invest in a pure term insurance with affordable premium for even more higher coverage. So investing in a combination like this can fetch you better returns compared to this. So if you still want to invest in like that, you can definitely customize it according to your risk profile and make the strategy workable according to your needs. But if you're having doubts how to customize it or what kind of investment option you need to allocate your fund to, then you can definitely consult with a certified financial planner who will help you and guide you plan your financial planning, customize investment strategies, especially for you to achieve your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So you can definitely consider going down this route and consider investing through a financial planner also for a better financial future. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.